Hi, I'm Dr. Christina. I'm a house call veterinarian, but today we're on the road helping people with their pet hair problems. We're here at Jody's house. Jody is a dog trainer and she has two big, beautiful German Shepherds, as well as a gorgeous little kitty. Let's go take a look.
Hi, Dr. Christina.
Hey, Jody, it's so great to see you.
It's wonderful to see you too.
Hi, Kira. Can you sit? Hi, Indigo.
So my business is Positive Directions. This is my 22nd year of doing training. Tricks give you a way to have fun with your animal and teach them something, but also providing enrichment and building your relationship too. So another name for German Shepherd is German Shedders.
Yes.
They do have an undercoat and then they have outer guard hairs. They shed a lot in the fall and a lot in the spring. These guys are professionally groomed once a month, but even with that, hair control is a pretty ongoing challenge in our household. When friends come over, if they have all black on, I just say, stand in the middle of the room and don't touch anything. Yes. Notice my pants?
Yep. Oh, such a gorgeous coat. You can just feel how thick it is. I'm just gonna listen to your heart. Oh, well, your heart sounds so great. You can tell that she's really athletic. And say, ah. Ah. High five. Good job, high five. Oh, okay, so this is about a week and a half of fur.
Sometimes this cat hair is harder to get out than even the dog hair. I'll wear this a lot when I'm brushing Indigo.
Well, Jody, is it all right if I take these blankies with us to the Speed Queen lab?
That would be awesome.
Here we go. We are off to the Speed Queen lab with some very hairy items. Hey, Kevin.
Well, hi, Dr. Christina. What did you bring me today?
Here's the first blankie that the pets love.
Oh, I have cats. I know how that is.
And you know, you have on a nice black outfit. It's just, oh, yep, it's already
yes, I
sticking.
do have some hair on there, don't I? Yep. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the pet hair remover for dry items, and we're gonna see how much of that hair will come off. We'll get it started.
As I was walking in, I noticed that there's a whole area for research and testing.
We have the capacity to run about 150 washers, and we do various tests with the washers. All right, our cycle is done, and let's see what we have. There's still definitely some hair in there, but there's quite a bit that's in the screen. This is all hair that's not going to get into the wash.
You can definitely feel that it is a little bit moist from that cycle as well.
Yes. We had to add a water valve to the back of the dryers. We call it steaming. It's a very light mist of water. A lot of it's not as matted down as it was before. It's going to need to be washed. Now we're going to take them out. We're going to put them into our dryer here, and we are going to select the pet items. That was our last step, and we're going to see what they look like. There is a lot of hair right there. Our blanket actually looks much nicer than it was.
It does. A lot better than what it was. Boy, I can't wait to show Jody how much hair came off.
Come back anytime.
I'd love to. Let's see what she thinks.
Is that all your fur?
It is quite a bit. It's all compacted.
That definitely looks better. Oh, it's nice and clean and fresh too. Oh, that is way better, because that was just full of hair. Are you helping? Your blanket's back. What do you think? Is it all clean? There it is, good as new, all clean. Yeah, all clean.
Do you all approve? Yep. Well, that hairy situation is behind us. On to the next.